Hello, Machine Shop 2 students. So today I wanted to start our vice body hole. So if you can please pull up that drawing that we did yesterday, we're going to start camming this out to get it done. So if we think of the processes that are involved with drilling a hole and having the hole be accurate and tapping it, first we have to spot drill it with a center drill, and then we're going to need to drill it to the tap drill size, and then we're going to need to thread it. So we're going to have to go through all three of those processes. We're going to just do one at a time. Today we're going to focus on doing the center drilling. So if you can go, if you can go get out of design and go into manufacture here. That's where we want to be. We're going to do a new setup. So if you can go to new setup, and we want to go into our stock here and change the stuff to 0, like we always have to do. And then we'll also need to change where our X, Y, and Z are, of course. So I'm going to orbit this thing to get it in the orientation that I want, which is right up here. Pan down a little bit, escape out of orbit, and we'll put our stock point up here. Now I want the Z to point up here, and I want the X to be here and the Y to be here. So we're going to have to get that straightened out first. So I'm going to go to model orientation, select the Z. Right now it says I can select the Z axis. I'm going to select this axis right here to be, oops, I didn't want face, I want edge. There we go. And then we want to select the X axis as well. So I'm going to select the X axis right here, and then we'll have to flip that. And that's the way we want it to look right there, except we want our X, Y, and Z in that corner. All right, so once we have that done, we'll hit OK, and now we're ready to work on camming this thing out. So under drill here, I'm going to go to drill, and we'll first need to start with selecting the drill bit that we're going to use. So I'm going to go under tool here, and we're going to select a center drill, just like we would on if we were in the mill. We'll use a relatively small center drill. The tip diameter, we'll pick a tip diameter of 0.125, and we'll do a shank diameter of 3/8, which is 0.375. I know it looks kind of funny in there. I'm not sure why that is, but that's just the way it is. You can see you're familiar with this from your use on the lathe and the mill, though. That's the way that it would look. Once we have that done, we hit OK. OK again. Now we have our center drill ready to go. Next, we're going to select our geometry. So we want to select the selected faces. If you want to read through some of this stuff, it's kind of interesting, all the things you can do. But basically, we just need to select the cylinder. That's where our hole is going to be. The next thing we'll have to do is select the depth of our hole. And so I'm going to go to heights. And the bottom height is really what we care about. We want the bottom height. So I'm going to go from hole top. And then we want our bottom height to really be probably about -1/8 inch maybe, because we're going in, so that's a negative. So -0.125, and that should give us our bottom height. Let's take a look here from the front to see. Yep, there you can see that our hole height now is only going 0.125 deep. Okay, and we hit OK on that, and we should be good to go here. Let's do a simulation. Yeah, and there's our center drill done. Hopefully it doesn't do it quite that fast, but you get the idea. So we have that done. Go ahead and save that, and we're ready for the next thing. Okay? Have a great day, everyone.